Hello everyone, welcome to Brainiac Worksheets How to Teach. I am so excited that you are here. Whether you are a parent, teacher or an educator, this is the place where we share practical, hands-on tips and ideas to help you teach, train and guide children. We focus on simple strategies that really work. No complicated theories here, only real-life approaches that make learning fun and effective. Now let's start our topic today. Have you ever thought why some questions challenges our brain more than the others? Welcome to the world of Webb's depth of knowledge or DOK. I know that some of you may be familiar to this concept or topic, but in the next few minutes, we are going to understand this topic in the simplest way possible. Watch the full video with attention to understand, and there is also a bonus tip for you at the end of this video.
Dr. Norman Webb's depth of knowledge or DOK.
This theory was developed by Dr. Norman Webb. DOK or depth of knowledge is the way to measure how deep your thinking goes while solving a problem or answering a question. It's not about how hard or difficult something is. It's about what kind of thinking you need to do so. Though this is a theory, but it's much more like a process. If you apply this in your students' or child's education, it will provide effective results. It has 4 levels. Level 1, recall and reproduction. Level 2, skills and concepts. Level 3, strategic thinking. And level 4, extended thinking.
Level 1, recall and reproduction.
This is the most basic method which we use almost every day. We recall formulas, procedures, or something we have already learned before. I'm not going deep into this. If you want to know how to memorize fast, you can visit our website Brainiac Worksheets. There is already a blog uploaded on how to memorize faster. You can check that. Suppose you face a question or you come across a question like, what's the answer of 5 into 6? Or what is the capital of India? So you just recall, yes, 5 into 6 is 30 and capital of India is New Delhi. So the process goes like this.
Level 2, skills and concepts.
Now, here you have to use your skills. This level has nothing to do with memorization. Maybe you come across some question where you have to organize, where you have to summarize something or compare between two concepts or two themes. For example, you have to give a conclusion or summarize a story. To solve this kind of problem, you have to read the entire story and then summarize it into a gist.
Level 3, strategic thinking.
This level asks you to plan, reason, and solve a problem. Think of a situation you are lost in a jungle and you have no resources with you. No food, no water, no clothes, and none of your basic requirements. Now, how will you get out of this situation? To overcome the situation, you need to analyze the situation, stay calm, and find a way out. You need a proper plan of action to overcome this situation.
Level 4, extended thinking.
Now, here it gets really deep. Long-term projects, complex problem solving, or building something original. Suppose if I ask you to design a campaign to reduce plastic in your city. To solve this problem, you will need time, research, creative thinking, organization. You have to balance this entire things and you have to solve the problem. This may also happen that you require a team to execute your planning, ultimately resulting in solving the problem. Most of the tests and classroom works require level 1 and level 2 thinking. Activities like research, projects, and dissertations require level 3 and level 4 thinking. Actually, level 3 and level 4 thinking pushes the student to go beyond their imagination, their abilities, and their capabilities, and understand, apply their knowledge, and create something really new and unique. This boosts their self-confidence, which further makes them confident learners. Teachers can use DOK to make better lesson plans, improvise their teaching methods by asking smarter questions or giving smarter tasks to their students. Students can also use DOK to check their depth of learning, and thinking. The DOK levels actually level up your teaching and your students' learning. So now it's time for the bonus tip. Teach your students a trick. Tell them that whenever they learn something new, don't just ask what, ask why and how. This improves their learning, their outlook, and also gives a better understanding to the concept. Hit the like button if you think the information in this video was helpful for you. Comment how you're planning to use Webb's DOK and share this among your friends. See you on another video with a new topic. Till then, subscribe our channel for more useful videos like this. Thank you.